stuck. You're moving in a direction and still feel like you're standing still. And still feel like you're not accomplishing what you should be accomplishing. I've been in Phoenix, Arizona for 2 years. And I really feel like I've been accomplishing something. You know what I mean? I've been getting my name out there. I've been networking, but a big part of it still feel like I'm just standing still, like it's not where it should be. Maybe that's me feeling like things are not moving fast enough. But then again, like I say, I've been here 2 years. I've been knocking on doors, had doors closed, doors open, doors crack open, wind blow in. But it still feel like I'm find myself in a situation where I'm like this by myself. You dig what I'm saying? Like a lot of people, just what it is, won't believe in your vision until you actually get it off the ground, get it doing what it needs to do. Until then, you know what I mean, you just someone with a vision. But people want to see, can you do it? And the crazy part about it is, you know, some of us have the desire to see other people prosper with us. But in order for someone to prosper with you, they have to be on the same page as you. They have to invest in what you're investing in order to make it happen. And I just don't see a lot of that. You know, since I've been out here, it's been more of a, you know, you do this for me, and let's see if I can do this for you. It's never like no, um, there's no equal ground. You know what I mean? It's always a tug of rope type situation. How many people you got on that end? I got a few people tugging this end. You know what I mean? But it's never, hey, let's do something together. You know what I mean? Let's really get some money. You know, I've helped a lot of contractors that call me only when they need help, like in a bind, and it's fine because I'm gonna charge their ass, and I'm gonna go out here and do this, and now I'm gonna charge them. You know what I mean? Because you say you need me, but you don't want to pay the price. But when you need me, you willing to do whatever. You won't fucking stop calling my phone because I know what I have to offer is valuable. And if it wasn't, then you would have found someone else. But you found someone who can do it, and that's giving you a nice price based on what the price is in the area. And they still try to figure out a way around to get over on you somehow. So I mean that's life though, and I'm cool with that. But it just seems like I don't know. It almost feels like a part of me want to just go and move around, pack up shop, and go somewhere else and start this shit over again. I don't know, man. It's just how I'm feeling this morning, man. It's just one of them days when you're like, damn. Hold on.